Hey everyone, this is Shruti Anand. Welcome back to my channel Wardrobe and Fitness. The cliche, tomorrow is not promised, has turned out to be true for all of us during this global pandemic. We are going through a very challenging time due to this global pandemic. We are worried about our jobs, about our well being, about our loved ones, and about the economy in general. And rightly so. We should be worried. That's so natural. But instead of going through this turbulence with our eyes wide shut, we can try to see that what good we can extract from this tough situation in our lives. It all starts from a very simple basic question, that what can I learn? Well, here are some insights that you can uncover for yourself. I'm sure you all must be watching news channels these days. There are some good stories too that are accompanying this global pandemic. For instance, there is drop in air pollution levels drastically. The sky is so clear these days. You can see the blue sky very clearly. This is because of the few commercial flights. It is this little silver lining that we all need right now to see a glimmer of light at the end of the tunnel. Just trust the here and now. Everything else can change in a matter of minutes. Everything is present right in this moment. So live in the present and never take your experiences for granted. We all need to appreciate life a little more. We need to value small things in our life. For instance, talking to family or friends, something that we all are doing right now, but somehow it gets neglected in everyday life. Every cloud has a silver lining. We are getting a lot of time for ourselves. Use this time to the best of your abilities. Use this time as best as you can for yourself. Take out some time to develop some hobbies, some interest, or some passion. If there was something that you wanted to do from so long but were not getting enough time, this is the right time to do that thing for yourself. The only thing that matters is good health and the closeness of loved ones. This is something that we all must realize during this time. Taking care of environment is not that difficult. The oceans and rivers have started to clean up. Residential areas are seeing the return of wildlife. The quality of air has improved drastically. The nature is healing, it's repairing itself. If right now we all don't see that how important it is to save the nature, then all this was for nothing. We all have to keep in mind that we have to protect the nature even after everything returns to normal. Because ultimately, it just requires a little effort from each one of us to save the environment. All of this has certainly taught me that how important water is and how dangerous the lack of water can be. We all are washing our hands regularly for more than 20 seconds or so. We are washing our vegetables properly, and there are millions of people in this country who don't have access to clean water. If this doesn't scare you, I don't know what will. There are so many people in this country who don't have access to clean water. Just imagine if they don't have water during this global pandemic. The alarm bells should be ringing high and loud now. So we all need to educate ourselves a bit about water conservation. And we really need to be thankful that we have access to clean water in our lives. So this was for today, guys. I'm sure you all must be having your own experiences during this time. Please do let me know what are your thoughts during this time. I would love to hear from you all. This is me, Shruti, signing out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.